Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I am super excited because I just got done registering one of my teams for the first Lego League for this year, 2021, for the Cargo Connect. So I'm just relieved because it always seems like a big deal about money and just getting it done and just knowing that, hey, I'm going to be getting my competition materials real soon and then be able to let you guys know about it. So it's just really cool to be able to register. So what I'm going to do in this video is let you know the prices and let you know what's included in your registration and get to just be excited about it.
Hino Lego Robotics.
Oh yeah. Hey guys, if you don't already know, I'm doing videos Wednesdays and Fridays. I added Fridays maybe a couple of weeks ago. So make sure you check in for videos on Fridays. And also hit that subscribe button and that bell so that way if I add more days, you'll be notified about it. Okay guys, so I know you're wondering about fees and what it covers and what I ended up paying. So let's go straight to it. Okay guys, so there's where your registration is going to give you. So the registration is $225. And so it's going to include, if you don't already have your team's official team number, the access to printed and digital season materials. So that's going to include your team meeting guide, your robot game rulebook, your engineering notebooks, and we're looking at the real world, real-time support, which I don't think I ever take advantage of. The ability to register and compete for your tournaments that you're going to be going to this year, and some of the other things down here. Now, let's go ahead and take a look as we look down here. So the $225, that's going to have for us, because we live in California and we get taxed all up crazy, it's going to be $12 for the materials. And then there is the challenge set. So the challenge set is $75 plus the $15 shipping and handling for that. Hopefully you live in a state where those shipping prices get waived. So we're taking a look now at the grand total. So my grand total was $334.92. So it's one of those things where, you do what you got to do. But we have one team paid for, and we'll just see as the year progresses. I guess we're going to have to see how the year progresses, whether I get another team or not. It's going to have to depend on, how many participants and how many students and, if that opportunity arises. But the good news is if I get another team and register them, then we don't necessarily have to pay for that challenge set again. Although, we did in the past, we did order a second set just so that both teams could practice separately and not have to wait for each other. So I guess that's something that you and your teams will have to figure out. Okay guys, so there you have it. We're all set for the 2021 school year and the first Lego League competitions. So I'm just hoping and praying that things can just stay the way they are for the moment and be able to have us do in-person competing this year. I would just hate to pay for this registration and have something like last year happen. I think I will cry right here in front of you guys. So let's all cross our fingers and just hope that things can just allow us to compete in person, because I don't know if how many of you competed virtually. It just didn't sound exciting to me, and we actually couldn't because our students couldn't come on campus. So I'm just really excited to start this school year and have it stay the way it's supposed to be in person. So hopefully, funds are not that big of a deal for you guys. Hopefully you already have the funding for it, or if you guys raise money, it's just something that you always are successful at doing. I know the cost can be expensive, especially if you have multiple teams. So I'm hoping and praying that you guys are able to get these funds and be able to compete, right? Okay guys, I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.